So today we study about the inorganic official compound like iron, iodine, calcium, ferrous sulfate and calcium gluconate. Today we study about the iron or inorganic official compound like ferrous sulfate. So official compounds of irons are there are various official compounds like ferrous fumarate, ferrous gluconate, ferrous sulfate, ferrous succinate, iron dextran injections and iron sorbitol injections. So these are the various official compounds of iron in which we have to study about the ferrous sulfate. So the ferrous sulfate having formula FeSO4.7H2O. Now the preparation. The ferrous sulfate it is prepared by adding a slight excess of iron with the dilute sulfuric acid. This is the sulfuric acid which is in the form of dilute reacting with the iron and form ferrous sulfate and hydrogen gas. The effervescence of hydrogen is stopped. When the effervescence of hydrogen is stopped, the liquid is concentrated and cooled to get the crystals. It means when the evolution of hydrogen gas is stopped, the liquid is concentrated and cooled to get the crystals of ferrous sulfate. Now the physical properties of ferrous sulfate, it is odorless green crystal. When exposed to air, it is oxidized. Means if we put the ferrous sulfate in the environment, it will easily oxidize and form ferric sulfate. And the color of ferric sulfate is brown, means it will converted from green crystals to brown crystals. It is completely soluble in water, practically insoluble in alcohol. So what we learn? We learn that there are various official compounds of iron which are ferrous fumarate, gluconate, sulfate, succinate, dextran injections and sorbitol injections, in which we have to study about the ferrous sulfate. It is prepared by adding dilute sulfuric acid with the iron and we get the ferrous sulfate. So this is all about the ferrous sulfate. Now the chemical properties. What are the chemical properties? As I told you that on the exposure of air, it will oxidize and form ferric sulfate. So here it is written that when the ferrous sulfate is exposed to air, oxidation will occur and turn brown due to formation of ferric sulfate. So this is the ferrous sulfate. In the presence of oxygen, it will convert into ferric sulfate having formula FeOHSO4. So what are the action of heat on ferrous sulfate? Ferrous sulfate undergo decomposition. It will form ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. It reduces silver and gold salts to their metal, means it is ferrous sulfate. Here SO4 is 2 negative and Fe is 2 positive. That's why this compound is stable. This is ferrous ion. When the ferrous ion is reacting with the silver and gold salts, they reduce and they form their metals and they undergo oxidation and reduce the silver and gold salt. Here the oxidation of ferrous ion occur and it becomes the ferric ions and reduce the silver and gold salts to their metal. Now the mercury chloride is reduced to mercurous chloride by the action of ferrous ion. Ferrous ion with the mercury chloride form the mercurous chloride, and here is also the oxidation of ferrous ion will occur and it forms the ferric ions and chloride. Action of sodium carbonate on ferrous sulfate produce effervescence of carbon dioxide. Here when the sodium carbonate is reacting with the ferrous sulfate, it forms the ferrous carbonate and sodium sulfate. Now this ferrous carbonate FeCO3 is reacting with the water and it forms ferrous hydroxide, and the effervescence of carbon dioxide will occur. So this is the action of sodium carbonate on ferrous sulfate. After that, why we use the iron compounds? Because it is used for the iron deficiency and anemia. It is used as hematinics. The storage condition is it should be stored in airtight container to prevent decomposition. We studied that on the exposure to air it will oxidize and form ferric sulfate, which is brown in color. It means in the presence of air it will oxidize. Here is a note: to retard the oxidation and to stabilize the formulation, hypophosphorus acid having concentration 0.2% is added. Now the incompatibility of ferrous sulfate is it is incompatible with alkalis, benzoates and phosphate. So this is we study about the iron official compounds, various official compounds of iron. Ferrous sulfate, their preparation, physical properties. Here are the chemical properties in which there is oxidation reaction and action of heat, reduction reaction, and the action of sodium carbonate on ferrous sulfate. After that, we study about the uses of ferrous sulfate, their storage condition, and the incompatibilities. So in next class we will study about the calcium, various compounds of calcium. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe the channel.